Do you want to access your iCloud email straight from Outlook? I know that a lot of people run into troubles when trying to connect their iCloud account to Outlook, and most of the time it comes down to one thing: having the wrong IMAP and SMTP settings. In this video, I'm going to share the correct and up-to-date iCloud IMAP and SMTP settings and show you exactly how and where to enter them in Outlook with the help of your iPhone. And yes, if you need any help even after watching the video, then feel free to call the numbers on the screen to get real-time guidance from our experts. Now, let's jump right into the process. Start by downloading and opening the Outlook app on your smartphone. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on the Add Account option to get things started. On the next screen, type in your domain email address in the field provided. When you're done, tap on the Add Account button to move forward. You'll then be asked to choose your email provider. Go ahead and select IMAP from the options. On the page that opens, start by entering your iCloud email address along with all the other required details. Once that's done, scroll down a little bit until you reach the incoming IMAP email server section. Here, type in your IMAP hostname and fill in all the required information in the fields below it. After that, move on to the SMTP server section and complete all the fields there as well. Once you've filled in everything correctly, go ahead and tap on the Use Advanced Settings toggle to enable it. And that's it. Simply tap on the Sign In or Save button and your iCloud email will be all set up and ready to use in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.